Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you some news. Also, I'm gonna share with you some of my analysis. They're all my personal thoughts, personal idea. There is no any investment advice. And also, of course, I'm gonna share with you some data and economic calendar because today have Fed, which we wait for a long time. So we got also PPA data today, even they came 0.7 is did not work because today have Fed. As I told you always, when there's a Fed, not only I told you, it's like things know by everybody volatile. That's why. Let's see. The things we expecting this will came same like previous one. They will not make any increase or decrease. They will keep neutral. That's why we don't expect some things from that. But the things, guys, the important part is Powell talks after that. To be honest, if we consider this is last 2 months of his job, we can think, he might talk negative, but the things I'm thinking opposite because somebody must at least save those economies. Somebody must give some good signal to keep people calm. That's why I do hope positive talks from Powell. So let's see. But in case we need to watch out for every scenario. So Iran confirms intelligence minister killed in Israel strike. So after that, and also there's other important minister killed in Iran. They get angry than before and they again start missiles. They're throwing missiles like Dubai, like Lebanon, and Israel as usual. The war kept increasing, and by the time what Trump does, just talking, nothing. He asks some help for other countries and nobody accept it, or some of them just hold it. He got pissed off for all of them, especially for UK. But now he telling he can make it all by itself. So let's say give him a good luck, because it looks like he is really squeezed right now. Yes, in market, guys, as you see there's a lot of drops, so that's okay. I told you this yesterday. If market cannot hodl over this level, I said it will drop. That's why now we can still consider this 2.41 trillion in total market cap. So I do expect some reversal around here if it's not hold over there, which is giving this line to us. We might see 2.34 trillion. But the things, guys, I do expect some rise over there because this is Fed day, that they every time has some volatility that is changing their direction. Also, after Powell talks, we can see even right now I do see some reversal movement over there, but to understand it's healthy, we need to wait at least minimum 8 hours candle over this level. In gold, what did I told you? Gold will came 4,860 level, and even it made some weeks, it need to stay over there or else we can see more drop. But my opinion, I do think it will walk around this area. So if you did listen to me and open short, that's good for you. And silver, what did I told you? Yes, it made a stops because of my small stop loss, but that's okay. Anyway, what to do? After I told you it stopped, but it will drop, and I made this arrow over here and it dropped down. So I do expect till 74 when it came around there. To be honest, I can consider to make some investment for long term as a sport. That's why it might be good. So far, Bitcoin. Yes, same as I told you. If it cannot rise and hodl over 75, it will drop 68. It's breakdown 72k. It was first option if it's not if it decided to make some reversal, but the things it couldn't make it's breakdown. So now I do expect 68. Why do I expect 68? Why not 66? Let me tell you. Same as here. Do you see there is, it's break down this level, and what is this? 69, exactly 69. Now that's why I do expect a drop till, that's my opinion, for sure, 69. It might be make some things with weeks to 68. So then I do expect same reversal, same as here. When it's drop, as you see with two strong candle, it rise. I do expect that rise, and when it's drop there, I can consider, if it's not drop anymore to 66, even though I can consider this area to make long position. Of course, up to market, guys. We need to follow it up, all the news. We need to see Fed tone, because that's important. When we see something nice side of Powell, then we can consider what I'm telling right now. So on Ethereum, yes, I made it this formation when it was here, if you remember. Now it's making their handle, that's okay. It can make some zigzag movement even till 2090, that still can be confirmation. As long as it's not dropped down lower than it, we can consider this zone to make open long. This is good time to make some investment with taking risk, of course, because it's it's the time when you get risk, that time you're gonna earn more. That's how it's work. But the things, I do expect some movement around this, and I do expect this pattern will complete. In BNB we had a position upside, and it didn't arrive that area, so that's why it's not make sense. But I told you, after it will drop till here, and it drop here, after it's, as you see, made some reaction, that it dropped down. That's okay till 640. I can expect a drop, then I can consider to take some BNB, but I need to see good beautiful two candles over this level. That's why it's not makes to open a position on here, not make sense. And Sol dropped down so good. So what do I expect from Sol? I can consider this area to open long position for Sol, even though I can consider here. So if it's dropped down lower, of course that means we will see 78, but so far I do think it will not change this line. It's not gonna break because it has a space. Of course this is risky, but it might be a volume, that's okay. So that's good. But of course we need to see some, I will make with that one, some drop, then some reversal candle. Bitcoin Cash, it stopped, but that's okay. Why? You understand in this position how important stop. If you didn't stop over here, you would lost 5% more. That's why, guys, you need to be loyal your stop. See, you earn. Okay, one stop, that's okay. That's not end of the world. Just keep your stop loss. So far on Bitcoin Cash, let's break down this. Can I think positive? No, I cannot. It's like very strong candle. So I can say it might make some reversal on this line. Till here it will not be surprise for me. Of course it can also make correction over there, but maximum 440. When it came there, that time we can consider open long up to 2 candles. XRP also on the line, and I'm telling that who are you XRP, you will hold over there. Of course it might happen, but I don't think so. I think if there is any small drop in market, if Bitcoin decided to drop 68, it will come till here. Is it? Yes. That's why if it breaks down this level, we will see XRP on this level. XLM, same like that one, but this is break down their line. I hope if I can mark it. I hope so. So it's dropped down same height as previous channel. So if it's not make reversal, if it not rise over this line, we might see that also around 0.15. Link, you know what? It looks like it will drop sharply. We can see link on 9. That's acceptable. Zach, when it drop, it will not give a chance this area, it will drop that much. So when it's drop, you can consider small one, because this is that, guys, how hard it's sharply rising. That's why. And now, did you understand why I did tell you need to close half or 25, then bring your stop loss enterprise? What can I say about it? I can close it like that because half of you get this area, half of you stopped. I can make whatever it is. Anyway, we didn't lose anything at least. Just, remain it anyway. This is the important way, my strategy. If you take the point that I tell you and you bring your stop loss to the enterprise, even this position drop, you will not lose anything. That's things. And Pippin, after I told you this short area, it kept dropping, and to be honest, there still have, my gosh, it still have area. That's why I known it. Of course, it can make some reversal movement to hand whoever opens some long on Pippin, but right now it's not looks safe. River like not in this market, it's just moving rise and still has the head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders formation. That what I'm thinking, we will hand this area very well. Kite, which I hate. Saw me after dot. So dot is almost about my position, so just follow it up. When it came here, for sure it will drop like that. Then let me pull, then it will close 2 candle, then open position and wait for 20%. After thank me. Sky is dropped down, that's okay, but if it's dropped down under this level, I can say it's not good for it. But as long as if you get spot on it, it will rise, guys, no worry. And half percentage it will rise, 112. That's perfect. Fed wood, yes, it looks like it will drop. Is good for open short, but the things, guys, our stop loss is very huge. 10% does not make sense. That's why just skip it. River, it's same. So till Powell's speech, we will see some drop. It looks like that, even though after that we can still drop till 68, let's say 600 maximum with wicks. I do expect some reversal if it decided to make reversal around 69, but this is our maximum level. If it break down that, that's not a good scenario. But the things, I'm not thinking that to be happen, because I do still think after that correction it will reach over 76. So let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow. I hope we can back up with better days. So I'll see you tomorrow.